Joining us now, Dr. Chandra Kumar, the CII chairman in Tamil Nadu and also the founder of Kaveri Hospitals in Chennai. Doctor, thank you very much for your time. Tamil Nadu has launched this free vaccination in partnership with corporate houses who have committed to spend money for vaccines as part of their CSR drive. What are the numbers we're looking at in terms of, say, over the next 3 months, Doctor?
I think first of all, this is an excellent initiative from the government of Tamil Nadu. The information we got was 3 days back, probably on late Saturday evening. Then we had a discussion within the CIA team. There's a task force for COVID vaccination in CIA Tamil Nadu. So immediately we collected the number of companies, and today we have sponsored around 2.2 crores for the first episode. And we also collected the number of vaccination done over the last couple of months. We have done around 200,000 doses for the CIA member companies. The number of companies in Tamil Nadu is around 1,500, which is the largest in the country. And also the plan then by end of this year, so we target around 1 million doses for the CIA member companies and the families.
And 1 million could be quite less compared to the potential of CI and corporate houses?
This is for the member companies, employees and their families.
Okay.
If you take the average employee strength around 800 to 1,000, some companies may have around 15,000, 20,000, some company may have 300, 400. That's the average number. Maybe 1.5 million is the number of employees working in these companies. And this will take probably over a year. We have covered around 25 to 30%, we already covered. So we hope by end of this year, we will cover almost 100% vaccination.
Right. And CSR would cover only the employees of these companies, or are you also sponsoring a funding vaccination for the general public who may not be able to afford the service fee or to buy vaccine on their own?
Yeah. I think the first approach is to vaccinate the employees of the company, then the family members of the employees, then the nearby communities. That's the plan what is done. For example, what we want to do today, because when companies which have vaccinated their employees and the families, now they want to go and vaccinate around the communities. The fund what is sponsored today is for vaccinating around the communities where the companies function.
And this will also come under the 1 million you are targeting?
Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
But still that's comparatively less because the government vaccinates around 4 lakh people every day. So you're taking 3 months to vaccinate what the government does in 3 days.
Yeah. So now this is large companies, medium-sized companies and the small companies. In CIA, we have around 20% large companies, maybe around 40% medium-sized companies, and another 50-60% MSME, that is micro, small, medium enterprises. Most of these micro, small and medium enterprises, they get vaccinated through the nearby PHCs and the government. If you look at that number, that's huge. But this money has been sponsored by the companies for the vaccination. In addition to the vaccination, all the member companies have nearly sponsored around 50 to 60 crores in oxygen concentrators, oxygen generators, and various other supportive measures. It's a huge amount.
And what's the total number you're looking at, Doctor?
Yeah. Through the member companies, by end of this year, around 1 million.
Right. But don't you think it's too less?
So this fund has been sponsored by the companies.
How much will that be?
Yeah, it'll be around approximately around 70 crores.
75 crores, okay.
Yeah, 70 crores.
Also,
Now, in this program, now all the hospitals have volunteered to waive off all the inoculation charges. It's around 200, 220 rupees it is there. That also is waived off. And that's an excellent initiative by the government of Tamil Nadu. That also CM coming and inaugurating it directly is a very good move that will motivate all the people across the state.
will this fully utilize the 25% vaccine private hospitals are allocated? The idea of the government is to tap that which is at the moment being underutilized. Only 5% of the total allocation is being used. But 1 million will be too less again.
I think this is a step by the member company CII to push the vaccination drive, and a lot of hesitancy is there, particularly in the smaller cities. And see, tier 1 cities like Chennai or so, they are forthcoming. Even within the tier 1 cities in the periphery, there is a hesitation. So all these initiatives will drive the overall willingness to get vaccinated.
And after this 3-month period, once you reach this 1 million target, do you think you'll be able to cater to a larger number still in the months to come?
Yeah, see, our aim should be to vaccinate 100% of the population. But I think the doses only now we are getting is slightly free. It will go for next 6 to 9 months.
Any numbers for that?
Even if you do around 50-60% of the population, both those vaccinated, is a very good number.
Right. Since you also represent a private hospital, doctor, over the last few months, since only 5% of the allocation made to hospitals have been utilized. Do you think, in that sense, private hospitals have not shown that much interest to mobilize larger population to be inoculated?
I have a slightly different view. Hospitals were quite forthcoming, and charges also are capped, but the supply of the doses were quite slow because it has to go across the country, because we were not prepared for the second wave. We thought we have more or less conquered the first wave, and the vaccine, the willingness in the first wave and the second wave is significantly higher. So, and the supply slowly started improving. That's the primary reason. I think all the hospitals, without exception, they are quite proactive to go the vaccination.
It's not that you have underutilized vaccine for want of people now.
So to some extent during the first wave, it was probably not the organized initially. Probably that was a bit lacking the first wave. I think now it's quite good.
Thank you so much, Doctor, for your time.
Thank you, really.
That was Dr. Chandra Kumar, the CIA chairman in Tamil Nadu, also the founder of the Kaveri Hospitals in Chennai, talking to us in Chennai with Suresh, Sam Daniel, Find It TV.